Okay, now that you have downloaded the your two reference pictures, um, and hopefully found a space to save them on your computer. Mines are still sitting right here. So the next thing you want to do is go back to assignments, and you want to go under the Q2 formative, and at the bottom it will say Jamboard contour practice. So click that, and then what happens is you're going to go, well, yours is going to look different from mine um, because this is still instructor. Well, you want to click. So this is what you should see. And you're going to click the paperclip, and it says view files, and it says contour practice Jamboard. It's going to make a copy for each student. Okay, so once you get here, it says add both of your contour reference pictures side by side on this Jamboard. Click the picture symbol on the left. Whoops, it should be two. I spelled it wrong. To do this, use the paintbrush and outline the contour of the object and outline all detail around them. When you are finished, save the frame as an image, upper right. So up here, you're gonna click that. But I'm going to show you those steps if I move this over. So, all right. So um, you're going to go to this picture image. Let me move this a little bit more. Okay. So you want to click the this little image right here. It's asking you to add an image, and depending on where you have it, so you're going to either click where you stored it. So it says upload. So mine is right here. So I'm just going to pull this one from down here. So if yours is you saved it to your Google Drive or wherever you saved it, that's where you will go look for it. All right. So once it's here, this is the top, and that's telling you if you want to rotate it. You want to pull the handle and make it bigger on there. Click in this open space, then go get your next one. So add image. Wherever yours is, like I said, mine's are still right here. And volume bump. So let me go find it. Sometimes if you go through all of this, download, this is the other one. So I can click that, and I'm just going to pull it over. Okay, move this for a moment. And then I want to make this picture larger also. Okay, so I just added the two pictures side by side, and now I'm going to I click the picture symbol, which was that. I'm doing those steps, and I'm just going over it real fast. So now I need to get the paintbrush, but if yours, the paintbrush should be here. Hold on. Okay, so right now mine is on pen. This is the paintbrush. Um, so pick a color that would match, that will work, so make sure that you can see it. And you are going to trace the contour lines. And we just went over contour really briefly. So contour is the outline, it's the inner and outer of the object. So it is too light, so I have to go back and actually, I'm gonna actually do it under pen because that one might be better. Yeah, so the pen is better. I'm using a mouse, so when you're using yours, um, if you're using your Chromebook, you want to hold one finger down and use the other finger to slide. That way you can have more control. And you're going to let me go back and I want to erase that part. So that erases, you know, any mistakes. But looking at this, it's kind of hard to see. This one to me is a little bit better, but it's kind of hard to see. Make sure you go back to the pen. Maybe I'll do it blue because you can see it better. Okay, yeah, you can see it better. Pick a color. So the first that I'm going to do is, it's been a while since I've traced stuff on a computer. Move that out of the way. So if I hold the, I think it's shift. Nope. I'm trying to remember which one it is. Sometimes when you hold a certain key down, it helps to keep your lines a little bit more straighter. But so this is me trying to trace the big one. All right. So that is what you're basically going to do. You're going to trace those, and from there, you are going to um, put your name here, and then that way, I believe I can see it, but I will make sure. If not, you're going to, I need to see that you've picked the two pictures and you'll turn this in. We'll talk about that a little bit more a little bit later.